Before installation, we need to prepare these tools: cutter, pencil, spanner, cross screwdriver, tape measure, electric drill. If you are fixing samples to display, then you need to prepare some plastic fixtures and long screws. Open the box. Check the assemblies and accessories. There should be a shower mixer, instruction brochure, shower column, big shower head, lid accessory of shower head, hand shower holder, one bag of assemblies, and 2 S connectors. Assemblies bag contains a hose, Teflon tape, horizontal ruler, lubricant, hex key, flathead screw, 2 expansion plastic nails, 2 expansion plastic screws, and 2 self-tapping screws. During the installation of product for using, you need to clean the embedded pipe. If you're installing sample to display, please skip this procedure. Wrap the Teflon tape onto the thread of S connectors. Screw the connectors into the embedded pipes with a spanner. Please notice, check whether the connector thread is matched with the embedded pipe or not. And examine the assemble of hot and cold water embedded pipes of the bathroom before installation. After screwing the connectors to embedded pipes, we must adjust the 2 connectors to be horizontal and protrude them a little out of the wall. If the connectors are lower than the wall surface, it might cause water leakage after installation. Now, start assembling the shower set. Paint some lubricant on the joint end of the shower column. Connect the end of the column with the mixer. Take the flathead screw from assemblies bag to fix the column onto mixer. On the premise of S connectors are installed correctly, paint some lubricant on the black seal rings of the connectors. Push the mixer with column onto the S connectors. Make the mixer as close as possible to the wall. Put the big shower head onto the top of the column. Mark the position of hose for screws to fasten the shower head on the wall. Drill holes at the position with an electric drill. Fill the expansion nails in the holes. Fix the shower head. Cover the internal lid on the shower head. Sheath the external lid around the neck of the shower head. Don't forget to tighten the 2 hex screws under the mixer. Make sure the mixer is fastened on the connectors. The hand shower holder can be located as your actual requirement. Drill 2 holes for hand shower holder with electric drill. Put the expansion plastic nails into the holes. Tighten the 2 screws of hand shower holder. Fix it on the wall steadily. Cover its lid. Before we connect the hose between mixer and hand shower, please check if there are black seal rings in the threads. It might cause water leakage if without the seal rings. Connect the hose and the hand shower. Put the hand shower on holder. Connect the other end of hose to the mixer. Use a spanner to tighten the thread if necessary. Installation is done. It's ready to test with water.